Welcome back to The Price of Business. This is already the final segment of today's program, and I'm delighted to spend some time, as always, talking to you about you and your business. I do want to invite you to learn more about that great spa. We had the owner on the program, and they are amazing what they're doing. And for people who didn't think they were spa people, they should definitely check out those facilities and learn more about them. But right now, we're going to talk about mid-market companies. And as the listener knows, I've been doing an ongoing series of interviews about them because, frankly, there's this mystique around the enterprise-level companies. They get plenty of ink and, it seems to be the obsessions of the Fortunes and the Forbes. And then there's the magazines, and then there's the obvious backbone of the economy, which is those small businesses that are almost romantic in American folklore. And you have Entrepreneur Magazine and others that seem to cater to them. But there's this huge, incredibly important area of companies that are in the tens of millions called mid-market companies that simply don't get as much ink or air. And we're devoting some time to that here on The Price of Business. Sam Jacobs, he's Senior Vice President of a company called Axial. And Sam, welcome to the program. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for having me.
First of all, kind of start off with the elevator speech for Axial.
Absolutely. So Axial is a technology company that helps middle market CEOs and owner-operators of private businesses grow. And the way that we do that is by connecting them to the investors that they need to grow their business or buy their business, and the advisors they need, meaning the investment bankers, accountants, and lawyers they need to negotiate and navigate those transactions. So we're a network, we're an online network that's connecting middle market businesses to investors and to advisors so that all three of those people can close more deals and have successful transactions.
So do you get paid by the directory, or how do you guys get paid? I'm always interested in the business model itself.
Absolutely. The business model is pretty simple. It's a subscription-based business model. So if you are an investor, an advisor, or a company looking to buy other companies, make investments, or participate actively in the capital markets, you pay us an annual subscription. And that's basically the business model. We don't take any other transactional fees or success fees. What we're really focused on doing is having a pretty standard, pretty easy annual membership, and then helping all of those three cohorts, the investors, the advisors, and the companies, connect seamlessly, efficiently, and hopefully make tremendous amounts of money and close really successful transactions and not worry about any other strings attached through our membership. We're just trying to facilitate powerful connections.
What percentage of your businesses on your directory, what percentage of those are mid-market?
We're really almost all of them. Now it depends how you define mid-market. So let me tell you how we define it.
I'd say we're 20 million plus.
Yeah, again, that's almost 90%. We're focused on companies doing between 5 million to up to about 200 million in revenue. That is our sweet spot, and that is where we're helping companies grow. And
so you're on the low end of mid-market up to the middle of mid-market.
Exactly. That's exactly right.
So how big is your company?
My company is about 100 people, and we've got 22,000 people in our network. So there's 22,000 members of our network. We're based in New York City, and we're venture-backed by some excellent investors, including Comcast Ventures, Redpoint Ventures, and First Round Capital.
Okay. And that's fascinating. I'm sitting here looking at the website. By the way, Axial can be found at axial.net. That's axial.net. It's fascinating what you do. It's a great business model. I like what you do. So how old is the company?
Company's about 5 years old, yeah. And again, our sole purpose in life is to help exactly the people that you're talking about, those mid-market CEOs, help them navigate the capital markets, sell their business if they want to, raise money if they want to, and really pursue their growth strategy.
Yeah, I like it. How much is a membership?
Typically, it's about $20,000 to $25,000 a year.
Wow. Hey, you are in a good business.
Well, we're helping people close multi-million-dollar transactions. So
that's a small price to pay, isn't
it?
When you think about that, it's a small price to pay, isn't it?
That's right. We're helping. Some of the folks on our network are making $10, $20, $30, $50 million investments. They're selling their business for $50, $100 million. So we're focused on generating at least 10x returns on your membership.
Well, I'm afraid my evil producer is saying we're out of time, so I'm going to have to let you go. But I got a feeling, Sam, you and I will be chatting again. Sam Jacobs, he's Senior Vice President at Axial. Thanks so much for your time.
Thanks for having us. And if any of the listeners want to participate in the network, please find us online, or you can shoot me an email, sam.jacobs@axial.net.
Yep, that's Axial, AXIAL.net. When we come back, much more for you on tomorrow's program. But remember, the show continues 24/7 at priceofbusiness.com, and the best content here shows up over there at usdailyreview.com. Have a great day. Spend it right here.